Hi, I'm Dee Lennox, and welcome to Cooking with Confidence. Today I'm going to prepare a Mediterranean appetizer platter, and I'm going to give you some ideas on what you can do to make a really delicious and fun appetizer platter, okay, Mediterranean style. The first thing I started out doing with is I got mozzarella cheese here. And I got the mozzarella cheese that you can buy in the grocery store that's actually rolled out thin. So then you could put something in it and roll it up. In which case what I did was I added roasted red peppers and basil. Delicious from my garden. So I put that on, and I'm just going to drizzle olive oil on top, and that's going to finish that up really nicely. The next thing I did was I bought some manchego cheese from the grocery store. I'm going to put that down like that. Then I've got some blue cheese. That's really delicious. More cheese to the party. Okay. Then I've got hummus. Hummus is really delicious. Hummus, you know, is chickpeas with tahini paste and olive oil and garlic. Really delicious. This one has red pepper in it because I'm all over red pepper today. You can see this. So red pepper's here. Then I'm going to do some, now I've got mortadella, which is a really delicious ham. I'm going to roll it up like this. Put a couple down here. My kids love this stuff. Mortadella, really, really good stuff. They just eat it up just like that. Okay, how's that? Let's do one more. I think I'm liking how that's looking. Okay, there's that. All I did was I took it like this, I folded it in half, and then folded it again. How pretty was that? I'm here. I just lay them down like this. A whole bunch of pepperonis, slices. Okay, see, that's pretty easy, right? Not too hard to do. Then I'm going to take my pita bread and I'm going to go around the perimeters like this. So you can see that people can help themselves to this. It's sort of like, not really plating it, we're more having fun with our food. And who doesn't love to have fun with their food, especially if you're having a party. People are just wanting to nosh, grab something light. Mediterranean ways, always a nice healthy option, a nice way to eat. So while you try this out at home, I'm going to keep doing some of those little salami roll-ups here. But that's it. How easy was that? You do whatever you like. I'm just giving you some ideas. This was pretty easy to do. I'm going to keep rolling these guys up. I'm Dee Lennox, and this was Cooking with Confidence. Today I was making a delicious appetizer Mediterranean platter. So choose whatever you like, think outside the box, and you can do a really delicious platter and your friends are going to love it. See you next time.